In this lecture, we will discuss about truth of resonating structures. First truth we have that resonating structures are imaginary. For example, benzene has two resonating structures. Both of these resonating structures are not real. Similarly, formation also has two resonating structures, and these two resonating structures are not real and exist only on paper. Actual molecule is hybrid of resonating structures. Actual or real. For example, benzene is hybrid of these two resonating structures. So this is the real molecule of benzene, that is hybrid. Similarly, formation is hybrid of these two resonating structures. This is actual molecule. Truth 2 we have that resonance forms differs only in placement of their pi electron or non-bonding electron. That is lone pair. So let us consider the case of formation. If you see, This oxygen has 3 lone pair, but in this resonating structure this has 2 lone pair. This has 2 lone pair, but this oxygen has 3 lone pair. So position of lone pair has changed. One lone pair from this oxygen is gone to this oxygen. Position of pi bond also has changed. So here we have a pi bond. In this case we have a pi bond here. In resonating structure, position of atom does not changes. You have hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, and then one oxygen this side attached to the carbon. Hybridization of atom also does not change. If you see, this carbon is sp2 hybridized. Here also this carbon is sp2 hybridized. This means hybridization of atom does not changes. Now flow of electron can be shown by the curved arrow. So among resonating structures, flow of electron can be shown by curved arrow. For example, if I flow this electron here and this bond pair to lone pair, we will have 3 lone pair of electrons here, 2 bond pair and 2 lone pair. So one resonating structure can be converted into another resonating structure by curved arrow. For example, if I have one benzene, this is one resonating structure, it can be converted into another resonating structure. So if I flow this pi bond here, this pi bond here, and this pi bond here, next truth we have that is different resonance form of a substance have to be equivalent. For example, this anion has 2 resonating structures. Now these 2 resonating structures are not equivalent. One has a negative charge on carbon and 2 has a negative charge on oxygen. A negative charge on more electronegative atom is more stable. So resonance form 2 is more stable compared to the resonance form 1. This is because of electronegativity of oxygen and carbon. Oxygen is more electronegative. It can adjust a negative charge easily, but carbon is less electronegative. It will have difficulty to adjust a negative charge. So this is due to electronegativity. When two resonating structures are not equivalent, the actual molecule is more closer to more stable resonating structure. To the less stable form. So in this case, actual molecule will be more closer to a structure 2 because this is more stable. So in this case, hybrid is more closer to 2. Fourth truth we have that resonance form obey normal rules of valency. That is octet rule. For example, for acetate ion, we cannot have a resonating structure something like this. Because in this case carbon has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 electron. So this is not a valid resonating structure. So we have to follow octet when we are writing resonating structures. The final truth we have that the resonance hybrid is more stable than any one of the resonance form. For example, this is one resonating structure of benzene. This is another resonating structure of benzene. Actual hybrid we have So this is actual molecule. So actual molecule is more stable than 1 and it is also more stable than 2. This is due to electron delocalization. When we have resonating structures, electron delocalizes and electron delocalization makes molecule more stable. We can make the potential energy diagram for this case. So resonating form 1 and 2 will have equal energy. Equivalent resonating structures. Actual molecule will have less energy. So this is more stable. And this energy is defined as resonance energy.